Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special, a very exciting soda. We have two of them. We have the Woodpecker Funko Shop exclusive 3,000 piece. 2,998 people have these sodas, and I believe there's only 500 chases. So our chances of getting one are very, very slim. But we're gonna hope. We're definitely gonna hope. So, Dexter, what are you doing? Slow down, don't look at the top yet. So we have one over here. We'll stay tuned for after the video, and you will see a close-up of all of this. So, go ahead, Dexter. Let's do the first one. Let's see what we got. Stop. Do what you gotta do, bud.
Where's the cheese?
So, as you can see, in case you don't already know,
different colors.
they come in a wrapper like this. Usually there's a seal that rips all the way down. Now, one thing everyone wants to look out for is if you buy these, you can open them from the bottom, and you can, I'm not going to do it, but you can see exactly what the bog says. Milk cap, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see what we get a chase. 1, 2.
No.
Oh, we did.
Wait, we did?
That's the chase. That is the chase. So we got the chase right off the bat.
We got the chase.
So
that's only 500.
500
we got it.
Woody Woodpeckers.
We got it.
That's really cool. We did get it.
That's a prize.
All right, so I'm gonna open up mine, and we're gonna see what. Oh, this is one of those hard ones again. Oops, let's not ruin that, guy. There's only 500 of them made, and here I am banging around the table. Has anyone figured out exactly how to display these? If you have, let me know in the comments below. As you can see, I got the cans displayed like that, and I kind of have these things randomly around my house, but in case you did not know, I have the Freddy Funko chase, not the NYC, but the Freddy Funko one, and I'm not 100% sure how to display it.
Give us another chase.
Do we get a second chase? This would be the first time that we would ever get two chases if we got two chases.
We got two chases once.
No, we have not. 1, 2, 3. No way. Did we really get two chases?
Let me see.
We really got two chases.
We got two chases.
That is...
Is this a ripoff?
This is the first time ever for me and this channel that we've gotten two chases. So 498 other people actually have these.
Wow.
So I think I'm going to...
keep them both and wait.
No, I think what I'm going to do is I might actually try to find someone to trade us a blueberry chase.
No, Freddy Funko chase.
No, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But that's pretty cool. We got two.
Give me one.
The only problem is, what if you wanted the common? You can't get the common.
I don't want a common.
So we got two chases.
It doesn't
That
matter.
is so cool. All right, you guys. Enjoy the next part of the video. Enjoy the close-ups. Have a great evening. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button.
Bye.
Enjoy. See you next time.